Aluminum is a lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and versatile metal that has a wide range of applications in a variety of industries. Aluminum 3D printing is a subset of metal additive manufacturing, which involves using metal materials to build three-dimensional objects layer by layer. There are several technologies used for aluminum 3D printing, each with its own unique characteristics and capabilities. Powder bed fusion is one of the most widely used methods in aluminum 3D printing. This process involves selectively melting and fusing the aluminum powder layer using a high-energy light source. In SLM, a high-power laser selectively melts and fuses the aluminum powder particles on the powder bed, creating the desired fraction layer by layer. EBM uses a high-energy electron beam to selectively melt and fuse aluminum powder particles in a vacuum environment, enabling the production of fully dense parts with excellent mechanical properties. Aluminum 3D printing has several advantages over traditional manufacturing methods. Aluminum is a lightweight material. 3D printing can produce optimized, lightweight structures and internal lattice or honeycomb structures, reducing the overall weight of the component without compromising strength. Additive manufacturing processes are generally more efficient than traditional additive manufacturing methods, resulting in less waste and lower material costs. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping, enabling faster design iterations, and reducing time to market for new products. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.